Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, specifically how you can send Bitcoin from your Cash app to another wallet. Whether you're transferring to a friend or moving it for safekeeping, we've got you covered. First things first, you need to have the Cash app installed on your phone. If you haven't done that yet, head over to your phone's app store, download it, and set up your account. Once you're in the Cash app, tap on the Bitcoin tab on the home screen. It's the icon that looks like a bee. If this is your first time accessing Bitcoin on Cash App, you might need to verify your identity, follow the prompts, submit the required documents, and you should be good to go in a few minutes to a few hours. After verification, tap on the Withdraw Bitcoin option. Here you'll choose how much Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter the amount either in or in your currency. Now it's time to enter the wallet address you're sending Bitcoin to. You can either paste the address or if you're with the recipient, scan the QR code for the convenience. Double check the address. A mistake here means your Bitcoin could never be restored again. Entering the address, you'll see a confirmation screen. This will show the amount you're sending, the wallet address, and any fees. Review these details carefully. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. And that's it. Your Bitcoin is on its way to the new wallet. Transfers usually take a bit of time, so don't worry if it's not immediate.